Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today another episode of our modular mine styles. We are gonna craft bended curved pieces. But before start, remember, this channel exists because of you. If you want, you can support my work, what I'm doing here. If you think that my job is somehow useful and inspirational for the community, you can support this channel through Patreon. Follow the link in the description box below. Also, you can donate a little bit for sustaining this channel through PayPal. Follow also the link in the description box. Another interesting way to support this channel is through the affiliated links by Amazon. Those are tools and materials that I'm using and actually I'm recommending. Check it out. But now let's create bends. Crack on. Basically, the idea is to cure these sticks that they were in the water for more than 24 hours. So the hope is that with a tool I can bend them. Okay, let's try to do this together right now. Maybe it will be a failure. So I will start from here. The water makes them very flexible, so starting to bend without break, I hope. Yeah. It's actually working. Not to exaggerate. Flexi, 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 flexi. You see? Great. So this is a 90-degree angle, just what we need. Okay, now before finish this, you need to have ready your piece, so you have your hot glue gun very hot and your foam ready to take this piece. Okay, so you can fix it before it's too late. So crack on. I'm starting creating a normal 3x3 inches tile. The procedure is the same that we did in my tutorial number 53. Check it out. But this time we need to create curves, so I'm using a compass to create them. The distance between the lines is always 1 inch. Now with the coffee stirrers we create our 1.5 inches pieces of wood. This time for each tile we need 5 pieces. Now for placing the bended railways I used two methods. The first one is with hot glue, but the problem is that when the wood is very wet, the hot glue cannot attach very well, so it's quite difficult to place them. In the second one I'm using a lot of pins for fix the stick, and with the super glue I fix them. This was quite difficult. At the end, we just use our arch cutter for creating the rock effect on the two sides that are not for the connection. And also I'm using a little bit of PVA glue on the railways for fix the bending. This was pretty crazy, guys. I think I succeed, but I want to leave these pieces overnight for drying, because my god, this was very difficult. I have a question for you. What you suggest to use for make the railways, you know, which material I should use? Because wood is okay, those are great, but yeah, was quite a pain in the ass. I will accept any suggestions. So yeah, let's continue. For you will pass just 1 second, for me will be the day after. So let's go. After 24 hours, we are ready for take out our pins. And we are ready for do some flocking. So the method is always the same. We are using PVA glue. Then I'm using 2 or 3 types of sand. When you use your sand and your flock, generally put something under your piece so you can recover and you reduce at minimum the waste. Here I was not satisfied by the holes that my pins did, so I'm using a little bit of plaster. And after 24 hours we are ready to paint. Done.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!